Fit India campaign ki saruk ama oina Sunday numit khuding gi leptana chatharakpa Sundays on cycle ki thoram SAI NERC Takyel amadi lamphel pata leiba CRPF 143 battalion ani puna khutsamnaduna pangthokhre Takyel SAI complex tagi horaga Udipo Kangchup road tagi Kangla Western Gate forward chatlaba matung Tidim road tagi Sangai program na laklaga FCI lambi fauduna SAI complex ta amuk halakadaba cycle rally aduda CRPF 143 battalion ki commander Ravinder Sharma, Assistant Director, Khelo India, SAI NERC, Imphal Laishram Samirtia, CRPF 143 Battalion ge Second Commandant, Omnath Chatras, CRPF 143 Battalion ge Dewai Commandant, Chandrasekhar Singh Kuswaha, Imphal West District ke SP, Khetrimayum Sivakanta, CRPF 143 Battalion ge Assistant Commandant, Rajiv Singh, Inspector Zidem, Thongam Bimol Singh Amadi ke FC ge Proprietor, Rolly Singh, Mioy Singh Asina Athoiba Mithunglen Oina Saruk Yakhe. Tharamasiga Mari Lenana, Imphal West ki SP Khetrimayum Sivakantana, Haikibada, Sunday on cycle asi Isa Isagi, Achinba Kayat Lebana, Madugi work pressure aduna maram oiraga stress lerak pasing, Loktopada Mateng Yamna Oi, Atay Matam Singda, Achinba Kaya Lerabasu, Sunday Numit Kaktamak Oirabasu, Cycle Thobagi Hinabi asi Thamgada Bane, Masina Hapchang Fana Amade, Wakal Fana Lebada, Mateng Pangi Haiba Wafam Pangthokhre.
Today on Sunday, as per the Fit India program launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the cycling on Sunday initiated on December 2024. Cycling on Sunday is a program by which Indian government wants that all the people are fit, all the citizens are fit. For example, we can say that one man's loss is one man's profit. The industries over here like hospital industry, food industry, they will always want that we are at the loss, and no one wants to promote the cycling industry. So by this means we can make our people fit and vibrant, and we will be less susceptible to the diseases, and we will be living a stressful life.